use FORscan to change your splash screen into any of the ones already saved in the APIM module. I'm going to show you how right here. So we're in FORscan, you're going to connect your vehicle, make sure it's set, blah, 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 blah. We're going to fast forward through all this crap, you don't need to see it. Once it's done loading, you're going to go over here to this little icon here for settings. We're going to go to APIM, configuration, and we're going to hit play. Once it hits play, we're going to switch back to the HS setting. It is going to ask you to verify you do have Sync 3. So if you don't have Sync 3, you cannot do this. You got to make sure. It's very important. The APIM module is very expensive to replace, so you want to be very careful. But if you have Sync 3, you can continue. I do. We're going to go down to splash screen. There we go. Oh, no. Stop start option. I guess we can go ahead and change that too. I don't know. I think we already killed that on the other screen. Anyway, splash screen. Edit selected. Let's go with the Ford GT. Sounds good to me. Hit OK. See if it loads. Oh, I forgot. We have to hit right. On here, and it should pop up. We're going to hit stop. We can double check the log real quick before we hit stop. So it was successfully done. Go back to vehicle. We can disconnect. Once we're disconnected, we're going to key off. Open up the door to kill the stereo screen. There we go. There you go. It took. So you can change it in FORscan. If you guys want any more tips or little hacks to your vehicles, make sure to hit subscribe down below because I'll be doing a lot more stuff like this to this truck in the future. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.